This is how to enable Hey Google and voice commands for the Gemini AI Assistant or Google Assistant on your Android phone. You can press the button to use the Gemini AI, but you can also use Hey Google. Now I say Hey Google, nothing happens. So let's enable that. Go to the settings, and then in the settings, find the Google settings, tap on all services, then scroll until you see search assistant and voice. Here you can either go to Google Assistant or you can go to the Gemini settings, and under Gemini settings, you have the option to talk to Gemini hands-free. Tap on talk to Gemini hands-free, and here you can enable the Hey Google voice command. You can go hands-free with Hey Google and you ask Gemini to make calls, send messages, play music, set timers and more. Gemini will stand by to hear Hey Google. So turn on. You have to set up voice match for your account so that Google will recognize when you're speaking compared to someone else. I have to continue. Okay, Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Okay, now it's ready, press done. You can help improve audio technology by saving audio, not now. So Hey Google is now turned on, it's enabled. And now I can say, Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow?
In Larnaca, there'll be light rain with a high of 17 and a low of 12.
Hey Google, how is the weather tomorrow in Nicosia, Cyprus?
In Nicosia, there will be light rain with a high of 17 and a low of 11.
Okay, Google, set a timer for 5 seconds.
Okay, I've set a timer for 5 seconds.
Okay, the timer is running. So the timer started. You can really use Hey Google with a lot of commands, but also you have to be careful that you might start it by mistake. So you have to be careful when you say Hey Google and then something else. If you say Hey Google by mistake, you can simply tap the screen like this, or OK Google, also it's a keyword, you heard that. You can always turn off the Hey Google voice commands for the Gemini AI Assistant, and you can use the power button. The power button still works even with the Hey Google or OK Google voice commands enabled. I just say it on purpose now to show you how it triggers by mistake. That's all. Thanks for watching.